Hello students, today I am discussing PHP data types. PHP data types are used to hold different types of data or values. Variable can store different data types. Data types categorized in further three types. First one is scalar types. It is also called as predefined data types. Second one, compound types. It is also called as user defined data type. Third one is special type. Scalar data types, it can categorized in four ways: boolean, integer, float and string. Compound data types, it can hold two categories: array and object. Third one is special type. It is categorized in two ways: resource and null. Discussing in scalar data type. Scalar data type is also called as single data type or predefined data type. This meaning of scalar is single. It can store single value. Discussing first category in first data type, boolean data types. Booleans are the simplest data types. Work like switch. It holds only two values, that is true or false. It is often used with conditional statements. If the condition is true, if the condition is correct, it returns true value. Otherwise, false. Let's see example of boolean data type. If true, echo the condition is true. If false, echo the condition is false. Output is displayed in web browser. This condition is true. Second scalar data type is integer. Integer means numeric data with a negative or positive sign. It holds only whole numbers. An integer can be either positive or negative value. An integer must not have decimal point. Integer must have at least one digit. Simple example is script declaring two variables $dec1 is equal to value 34, $oct1 is equal to value 0243. Then output is displayed in web browser. Then command is displayed in script echo decimal number. Concatenation is used $dec1. BR tag is used to next line display the output. Echo octal number, concatenation $oct1. Then script complete and output is displayed in web browser is decimal number is 34 and octal number is 163. Third one is float. A floating point number is a number with a decimal point. It can hold numbers with fractional or decimal point, including a negative or positive sign. It can number in exponential form. Let's see example of float data type. Script declare the variable $n1 is equal to value 19.34 and second variable is $n2 is equal to 54.472. Addition of $sum is equal to $n1 plus $n2. Then echo is used to addition of floating numbers and concatenation using $sum. Script is completed. Output is displayed in web browser is addition of floating numbers 73.812. Last one is scalar data type is string. A string is a sequence of data types. A string is a sequence of characters. A string is a non-numeric data type. A string can be any text inside quote. It holds letters or any alphabets, numbers and even special character. Let's see the example of string. Script declare the variable $company is equal to assign the value student in double quote, semicolon is completed. Echo double quote hello dollar company and script is completed. Then output will be displayed in hello student. Next data type is compound data type. It is also called as mixed data type or user defined data type. It can store multiple values. There are two categories in compound data type. First one is array. Discussing the array. An array is a compound data type. An array stores multiple value of same data type in one variable. In one single variable. This is the script and declare the variable $f is equal to value array. Arrayला value define केलेले आहेत Rose and Jasmine. Using valdem function and assign the value is $f and script is completed. Valdem function is used to and is display all the values of an array with their index, data type, those values and length of those values. This is the output of array. Length of array is 2. This is the index number is 0. Data type is string. Character is 4 and value is rows. Next index number is 1. Data type string. Character is 6 and value is Jasmine. This is the array data type. Second compound data type is object. Objects are an object is a data type which stores data and information on how to process the data. They must be explicitly declared. Objects are the instance of user-defined classes that can store both values and function. This is the simple example in created in object. Write the script, declare the class bike, open the curly braces, then declare create a function model, open the bracket, declare variable model name, assign the value Royal Enfield, then echo command is used, then variable echo command is used bike model and assign concatenation, then $model name. First curly bracket, function is completed, class is completed, then create object $obj is new variable is equal to new bike. Bike is a class. क्लासचा काय केला ऑब्जेक्ट क्रिएट केला. देन $obj and assign the value model. Model is the function. Then output will be displayed in web browser bike model Royal Enfield. Last data type is special data type. First one is discussing in resource. Resources are not the exact data type in PHP basically. These are used to store some function calls or references to external PHP resources. It is storing of references to function and resource external. Means is a basic example of resource is database. This is the resource. Next, special data type is PHP null. It is special data type which can have only one value, null. This is a convention of writing it in capital letters as it is case sensitive. The special type of data type, null, defined a variable with no value. Write a script, declare variable $n1 is equal to null. Echo $n1. Script is completed. Then web browser output is display is null.